Did you know that the Amazon rainforest produces 20% of the world's oxygen? The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, plays a crucial role in the global ecosystem. This vast rainforest covers over 5.5 million square kilometers, about 2.1 million square miles, across 9 countries in South America, and is home to an incredibly diverse array of plant and animal species. Through the process of photosynthesis, the trees and plants in the Amazon absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, significantly contributing to the planet's oxygen supply.